Did you know the Inca Empire became one of the largest empires in history because nobody wanted to deal with dead kings owning all the property? Here is how it worked. When an Inca emperor died, he was mummified, but not hidden away. He kept his palace, he kept his servants, he kept his land, his gold, all of it. His family managed everything on his behalf like he was just running a little late. So when a new emperor took the throne, he got the title and basically nothing else. No land, no treasury, just a crown and a problem. His only option was to go conquer somewhere new, which the next emperor also had to do, and the next one after that. So this empire that stretched over 4,000 miles of South America, crossing mountains and deserts, was essentially built because dead kings refused to give up their real estate, and nobody had the guts to say that was insane. The most powerful empire in the Western Hemisphere, accidentally powered by a property dispute with corpses.